everyone, my name is Kristin Hayes. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to be making these cute little candy cane favors that you can use on your Christmas table, and they come together so quick and easy, you won't believe it. So to start, I just have a piece of basic white, and it's just a scrap piece. We're going to be using the Sweet Candy Cane stamp set. We're going to be using this little sentiment here and this little mistletoe leaves. So I'm going to start with real red and just stamp my sentiment right in the middle of my scrap piece here. And then I'm going to come in with garden green for the leaves. And on the leaves, I'm just going to stamp off before I put them on here. Let's see, which way do I want to go? We'll go this way. And I just kind of went a little bit into the sentiment, but not a lot. And then we'll do the one this way. There we go. And then we need this little die, and it's from the coordinating dies from the candy cane dies. And I'll just show you those quickly. This is the nice background piece, and here you've got candy canes, and you can even die cut the mistletoe leaves as well. But we've got this unique piece. When I first saw it, I was like, what does that do? And then I saw the samples, so we're just gonna try it ourselves here. I'm just gonna center this on, and some of the leaves will get cut out, and that's okay. All right, we'll run this through. All right, so you can see you get a piece with 2 holes. Let me put this down and whoops, crash. You have 2 holes here and here, and all you do is you take your candy cane and you put it through both holes. Got a lot of extra wrapper on this candy cane, but that's okay. Whoops. We're just gonna thread it through. There we go. And I don't even use adhesive on this part because it really stays pretty well. So the last thing we need to do is to make a pretty bow. And I'm going to try and attempt a double bow on camera. I usually struggle with them a little bit. If I can't get it, we'll go to a single bow. But what you want to do is leave a little bit of a tail here and then come around, wrap it around your fingers in a figure 8. And I've already screwed it up. No, I got it. Hopefully, if not, we will try again. So then you're going to cut off this tail. You're going to come around, put this through the back. Whoops. Hopefully it doesn't come off your finger. And then you're going to come around, and on this last loop, let's see, you're going to tuck it under. Sorry if this isn't really clear. I'll link a video where it's really clear that I watched to learn how to do this down below. And then you just pull it and you have your double bow. It took me quite a few times to watch the video and do it with the video to get it. And I wasn't the clearest on the bow part right now, so I will link that other video. And you have a really pretty double bow. So I'm just going to trim it a little bit here. Let's see, there we go. And then I'm just going to attach this with a glue dot, and we're all set. That's how quick and easy these come together. So if you have a big group, you can do it fairly quickly for the whole group. Since we are not too far from Christmas, we're just going to attach this right at the top. And there we go. That's all there is to it. So there's our 2 candy canes, and thank you so much for watching.